We begin with the latest COVID coverage. As the now dominant Delta variant spreads throughout the nation and COVID-19 case numbers continue to spike, the plea for more people to get vaccinated is becoming more urgent. Michael George reports from New York.
In Burbank, California, workers are converting a floor of this hospital back into a COVID-19 ward.
In a lot of ways, it's been like going backwards.
Nursing manager Chris Rice says only about 6 weeks ago, the hospital held a celebration because it had 0 COVID patients.
But after the 4th of July, which is when all the family gatherings began to happen and all of the restrictions started to get lifted, it started to get bad again.
Over the past 2 weeks, new cases in the U.S. are up more than 160%, driven by the highly contagious Delta variant.
The last 2 weeks have actually been outpacing the sort of worst part of our prediction interval and are quite concerning.
UNC epidemiology professor Justin Lessler says his group's research models project the current surge could peak in October, with death rates tripling what they are now. Even though he almost died in an Orange County, California ICU, Brian Parisi still says he's not certain he would have been better off getting the vaccine.
I honestly don't know that I would have personally, but I think it's an individual decision.
During the pandemic, this New York City couple decided to postpone their wedding.
In a weird way, it kind of made me know it was real, because, you know, when you're staying together in the house for an extra 2 years, it just brought us closer.
Now they're among the first to get married in person at New York City's Marriage Bureau following the office's 16-month shutdown. Michael George, CBS News, New York.